honestly, I didn't want to watch the match. I didn't want high blood pressure. But our people came in and turned my TV on to that channel. When it was 2-0, I got very offended and restless. But I was there still watching the indomitable spirit of resilience, determination, and courage. And after that penalty, and I saw it 2-1, my spirit was lifted. And I believe that of the nation too was lifted. But what you almost did was get me hungrier, because your mother was in the kitchen almost abandoning my dinner. The game that it doesn't really watch except the girls are the one playing. And she came running, we have won. I said, you are not yet won. And at the end of the final whistle, it was all excitement all over the country.